Okay, so now here's number 10 to chapter 18, your homework for this week. This again is a question that is very similar to number 8 that we just worked. So let's start off by reading through our problem here and getting our information. So for this child, the recommended dosage of Zenocef is 75 milligrams per kilogram per day. Per kilogram per day in 3 equal doses. So that would be that we're going to give it in a 24-hour period 3 different times. So ultimately, to get our per dose we would divide this number once we get our kilograms for our kiddo. So this child weighs 66 pounds. The tubing drop factor is 60 drops per milliliter, and the medication is supplied 750 milligrams in 50 milliliters to infuse over 30 minutes. So the first part of the question is A, what is the child's weight in kilograms? So again, you could figure that out by doing, your whole dimensional analysis, which you would put if you're solving for kilograms. So we'll put kilograms here over pounds. And we know that our known variable for that is 1 kilogram is equivalent to 2.2 pounds. And then since this is pounds, this would be pounds. And our kid weighs 66 pounds, and that would be over X or 1 or whatever. So ultimately, again, this is what I do. 66 is divided by 2.2 to get your weight in kilograms. And that, 2.2 equals 30 kilograms. So the answer to A is the child's weight in kilograms is 30. And then for B, we have calculate the dose. So what is the dose for this child? So let's plug in our numbers here. So we have 75 milligrams per kilogram per day. So I'm going to take our 75 milligrams there, times that by our kilograms of our kid's weight, which is 30. And then that's ultimately going to get our kilograms to be removed. So 75 times 30 gives us 2250 milligrams per day. Now, remember that this is per day, and up here, per dose, we want to give it 3 times in a 24-hour period. So we're going to divide this number by 3, and that's going to give us 750 milligrams per dose. So the per dose answer for B is 750 milligrams per dose. So in C, we want to calculate the rate in milliliters per hour. So we have our information here. Here's one sentence that we're going to use. Here's another one. And then our 750 milligrams per dose may also be used. But milliliters per hour. So we're going to put milliliters on top. And again, since this one is in time, we use the milliliters that has the time with it. So we would put 50 milliliters over 30 minutes. And this is hours, so we don't want to stop there. So we need to have minutes here. And we want to go to hours. So 60 minutes is to 1 hour. So 50 times 60 gives us 3,000 over 30, which is going to be 100 milliliters per hour, is what the answer for C would be. And then D, let me move down here to D. D, we're calculating for drops per minute. So if that's the case, we want to put drops as our first numerator. So we go back up here to our information, and we have 60 drops has 1 milliliter. This is milliliters. This has to be milliliters. So we take our other bit of information, which is here, which is our 50 milliliters over 30 minutes. And since this is minutes and this is minutes, that's where we stop. So we would do 60 times 50, which gives us 3,000, and then over 30 would give us 100 drops per minute. And that would be then your answer to D.